In the bear protocol, it goes through different time points and what a quad index should be. A lot of people may not be able to accurately measure that with what they have in the clinic or at home. A cheap alternative is like a hanging weight scale. You can get these right off of Amazon. They're like 30, 40 bucks. What you can do is you can kind of hook this up to a secure spot. And it's just a ratchet strap essentially, or tie down strap. All right. So you kind of secure that and get that as tight as you need to be. Okay. And then on this side, you attach like a strap. You can get these if you get like or have a rubber band set, resistance bands. A lot of times they'll come with something similar to this. So you get them hooked up and they'll be sitting, and you'll just have to adjust the position of this in order to get them to sit at 90. They'll sit at the table. Obviously this is not 90, and you'll have them extend their leg as hard as they can, and then you'll measure both sides and you can identify their maximum